Let's talk about the latest launched OnePlus smartphone 13T with simple compact body design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K 8TL TPO AMOLED display, 6.32 inches Full HD+, punch hole display, resolution of 1216 by 2640 pixels, approximately 94.1% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits global maximum brightness, Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and crystal shield glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony IMX906 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 4x lossless zoom 2x optical zoom. Telephoto camera with aperture 2.0. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 150.81 by 71.7 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options: cloudy ink black, morning mist gray, heart-pounding pink colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6260 mAh battery with 80-watt wired super flash charge fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with superlinear dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, 4,400 square millimeters vapor chamber glacier cooling system support, infrared. Remote control support, the new shortcut key just press when you need it, IP65 dust and water resistant, and with multifunction NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus 13T has been priced for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,599 Chinese yuan, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 1TB storage variant at 4,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13T smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.